Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. Today I have a product review of this reverse LED bulbs from Auxito. This right here uses three 2020 SMD chip. It's rated at 1200 lumen per bulb. This product seems to be well built. It comes with the aluminum housing to dissipate the heat to keep the LEDs cool. It comes with the current driver that's inside. Also, this down here is plastic, but it's really pretty good. It's well built. The pins are, look at the pins, it's not those flimsy ones. So you shouldn't have any problems with connecting to your socket. And also, this is pretty wide, so it's not going to be loose when you put it into the 9-to-1 bulb socket. Installation is very simple. Here is my reverse stock incandescent bulb. Go ahead and remove this. And simply replace with the new Auxito LED. This is non-polarity, and this is very secure, so it's not going to fall out into your taillight housing. And once you're done swapping it out, simply go ahead and reconnect your wire harness back here. Alright, so here's the stock reverse bulb output. As you can see, it is off-white. Alright, here is the stock reverse light output. This is the off-white color. And here is the new Auxito 2020 SMD LED. As you can see, the color is pure white. Alright, so this completes the product review of the reverse LED bulbs from Auxito. This bulb right here is a 921 T15 application. It is only meant to be used for your reverse lights. This does heat up quite a bit, so you should not use this for your parking lights or license plate or any interior lights or any exterior lights other than your reverse light that's going to be on for a very short amount of time. This is definitely brighter than stock, and the color is pure white. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.